Hamid, I just saw Databricks now has a free edition, not the old community one.
Yes, this is a real deal. It's a fully hosted lakehouse environment, free to use, with way more power than the community edition.
Okay, now you have my attention. What exactly do we get in the free edition?
You get access to Unity Catalog for data governance, SQL Warehouse for blazing fast analytics, Workspace with Notebook for Python, SQL, and more, Delta Lake support, and yes, even job scheduling.
This is the free edition page where you can sign up or log in. You can sign up with your Google account or Microsoft account, or just you can use your email. If you have your account created for free edition, you can just log in. After logging in, you will land on the free edition interface, which feels just like the enterprise version, perfect for trying things out and getting familiar. From here, you can create notebooks, launch new workflows, and explore different capabilities right from the workspace. Here you can see your list of workspaces. Then we head into the Unity Catalog section, where you can manage tables, views, and other data assets in a secure and organized way. Next up is the Jobs and Pipeline section. I will walk you through a sample job to demonstrate how you can schedule jobs, configure settings, and even swap compute clusters on the fly. In the Compute section, you will find your SQL warehouses, vector search endpoints. You can also view and manage any deployed apps here. The SQL editor is perfect for writing and SQL queries, making it easy to analyze your data interactively. In the Dashboard section, you can see different dashboards that you have created. Databricks also includes a GenAI section, where you can find and work with the generative AI tools directly inside the platform. In the playground, you get to test out different models and experiment with prompts. Great for building and refining GenAI workflows. The experiment sections help you track and visualize the performance of your ML models, from training to evaluation. Finally, we explore the serving endpoints, where deployed models can be accessed through ready-to-use APIs, enabling smooth interaction into your application.
So let me get this straight. Real SQL engine, Delta Lake, governance tool, and jobs, all in the free version.
Exactly, it's designed for learner, analyst, builders who want to explore without worrying about billing.
That's huge. So much better than the old community edition.
And no credit card required, you can be up and running under 2 minutes.
This is your sign. If you ever wanted to try Databricks professionally, now's the time. Free, powerful, and production grade.